My friends, I just want to clarify. I'm getting a lot of emails. You guys, I think you guys got a conspiracy. Some of you guys get together and say, we're going to kill this son of a bitch. We're going to load him up with so many damn answers that he wants to do because of this emotional feeling in him to help. We're going to wear his ass out, but you're not going to see. You're not going to see. But I talked about the training. If you want to maximize your recovery and your longevity in bodybuilding, you train the entire body every other day. Now, some guys don't understand it. Because they're splitting up their routines and burning themselves out, they do 10 and 15 sets of an exercise and say it take them all day to do it. When you do your whole body, my friends, your entire body in one workout, you get a complete recovery on the day. Your body's not in a constant state of recovery. I said this a number of times. Now, you modify your training. You modify so you cut down the sets so that you have enough energy to go through the whole workout and that you don't take all day doing it. Now, basically, if you're not looking really to be all buffed up and be super, super huge, 3 sets of body part is 3 to 4 sets of body part is fine. 5 is okay. Don't get involved in 5 and 6 exercises for the same muscle. It's counterproductive. You know, I built my arms to 21 inches with 2 basic exercises. Seated alternate dumbbell curls and the scoop curl. Those are 2 curls I did. You got the Zotman curl. You got 1,000,001 different curls. If you're going to do that, you're just burning yourself up and nothing's going to really build because you'll burn yourself out. The whole idea for longevity is to train every other day. Give the body time to recover. Guys don't seem to understand that because they're looking at the wrong venue. It's longevity. I mean, a lot of times these gyms, as I say, I have friends that have it, they sign you up for years contract because they know you ain't going to hang in there. They know when you go in there and burn yourself out, you don't want to see your weights. I have guys that say, oh, I laid off a couple of years. It became discouraging to them because they didn't train scientifically. They thought that the more they do, the better. The body said, oh, no, baby. We got to recover, to build. We're not crazy like you are. The body complains, it don't explain. It talks to you. It's up to you whether you want to listen. Do your entire body, as I said before, every other day. But moderate the amount of work you do for each body part based on doing your whole body in one day. Like these guys say arms on Monday, back or chest on Tuesday, and they train it the whole week, and end of the week they feel like somebody beat the shit out of them, and they still don't have no development. They get weary. They think of training as a drudgery. Once you get to that, that's the end of it. If you train every other day, you'll never get to you. Train to your old man like me. I hate to say that, but that's what. Now, I'm not, come on, let's face it. I'm not half driving like I used to be. Jesus Christ. But we still had enough common sense to train the body every other day. It's like instinct, feeling. It's something that everybody don't have. But if you have it, you can export it. As I say a number of times, experience is priceless. There's no price on experience. And that's why I try to help you guys by telling you, I want you to train for health, my friend, for longevity. I don't want you to train, burn yourself out, and anytime you think of weight, you say, oh, you think of drudgery. I want you to be enthused to go back for your next training period. And the only way that'll happen, and please do not do your arms on Monday, your back on Tuesday, your chest on, and then your arms, you don't get to your arms again for 4 or 5 days. What happens? You lose everything. And all the buildup you get, you lose muscle priority, you lose momentum, continuity, you lose it all. Because you hear these crazy theories these guys got, not based on anything. But I'm telling you something. When I tell you something, you can put it in the bank because it comes from years of experience and understanding the body and not playing games with all kinds of theories of things that's not based on the basic construction of your physiology and your body and how it works. A lot of these guys have the slightest idea how the body works. Not slightest. But in any case, I just went back to this because I'm getting so many requests on it. What should I do? Moderate your sets so that you can do the entire body every other day. And so you don't burn out. Don't try to do like you do 2 body parts a day. God, that's awful for longevity. You don't last. You just don't last. You keep the body in a constant state of recovery, and you get to the point where you start thinking, oh, God, I got to go to the gym. Because your body is saying no. Okay, my friends, I hope that helped a lot. To be, well, you know what? Oh, it's coming. To be continued.